Hi guys. Actually, as you can see, we are at Touratech, which is in Baden-Württemberg, Germany. This is the one. We have 21-inch in the front. We have the drive shaft, and that's a big advantage. Electronic suspension. Today is a day in July 2022, a very warm day by the way, 33 degrees. We are in the south of Baden-Württemberg, Germany, at the company Touratech. For those who don't know this company, they are the leading company in Germany for accessories to travel big distances or the world on a motorbike. That's what I'm going to do. So that's why I'm here. I'm very excited because I'm going to see my bike the first time today. My bike is a brand new Triumph. You're going to see that later on in this video. And the bike is here because the company Touratech is developing all their accessories, especially for that bike, on my bike. No, I'm taking over their bike that they're developing. So I'm curious. Let's go inside. This is the one. This is my bike. I just did the down payment for that, and it's going to be the bike that I'm circling around the world with. It's actually at Touratech. Like I told you before, they are developing all the parts on it, so now it's naked. Not really naked because it's fully equipped by Triumph itself, but it will be even more equipped with the things from Touratech that they're developing right now. And I want to tell you now on the bike itself why I've chosen that bike. There will be a lot of voices telling me, you need to choose a light bike, you need to choose an old bike, you need to choose whatever, but not this bike. I did my choice. I don't need a light bike because I'm not light by myself. I'm heavy, so I think I will be able to lift up this one as well. I think, we will see. I don't want an old bike, I want a bike with actual features, so I have electronic suspension on this bike. That means I really can set it on hard side to go in a sportive way. Not as sportive as the KTM for example, but sportive. And you can also set it to the soft side to have a lot of comfort on the way, because you know, I'm planning to do 100,000 kilometers on this bike. That means you need some comfort, you want some comfort. And some other features why I've chosen this bike. So come with me to the front. It's the size of the wheels. We have 21-inch in the front, and again we have 18-inch in the back, and I'm overtaking the camera now. That means with the size of these wheels, you have the actual off-road size on all dirt bikes, on all off-road bikes. So with the right tires, you're really capable to do some off-road tracks, which I will have to do and I want to do. But you also see in the same picture that there is no chain. You have the drive shaft, and that's a big advantage. I can, but I don't want to maintain the chain all the time and exchange the sprockets and everything all 20,000 kilometers. So this is not necessary at this bike. You have this cardan, how we call that, and a lot of other accessories on the bike. For example, you have the 30-liter tank, 30-liter gas, good for 600 kilometers in a row. You even got a radar in the back that allows you to see the dead angle in this light on the mirror. Okay, that's not really necessary, but it's a good thing to have, I guess. You have the additional lights on the front. And last but not least, we have here the butt heater in the front and in the rear. I know it's a ladies feature, but yeah, there is a lady that I'm taking with me. This is my wife. Looking very much forward for the first 3 weeks together with her. So yeah, I think that explains why I've chosen this bike.